Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see, suppose if I created a database in phpMyAdmin, that is localhost. Okay, so if I create a database and if you want to delete that database, then how to delete the database, right? So some people means who are beginners, they don't know how to delete the database from phpMyAdmin, so they will struggle to delete that database. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you how to delete the database from phpMyAdmin. Okay, so I'll select one database from this phpMyAdmin and I will try to delete that. Okay, and I will show you that. Okay, so I'll take this new database. You can see here is new database because I don't want that database. Okay, so I will try to delete that. Suppose if you want to delete any database, then what you need to do, just select your database, which database you want to delete, select that, then go in operation. You can see here guys, here it is operation, right there you need to go. Then after going operation, you can see here guys, there is one option that is drop the database, right? Drop means we are deleting the database. Okay, and one more is there. Suppose if you go here in database and if you click check alls and if you click here drop, so what will happen if you do here drop, this all columns, whatever columns are there, right? Sorry, not columns, whatever tables are there, right? That is, this all tables will get deleted but not database. Okay guys, remember that all tables will get deleted but not database. So to delete database, we need to go in operation and just click on this drop the database. Okay, then make it okay. After that, what will happen, we'll see that now. See, it is taking time because it is deleting the database, and you can see here guys, our database is deleted, right? You can see here guys, there is no any our database, whatever database I have taken, that database is not there, right? It is deleted now. Okay, see, this also I don't know because it is empty, so this also I will delete. You can see guys, one more time, so it is deleted. You can see here there is no any new database now, right? Okay, so like this you can delete the database from phpMyAdmin, that is localhost. Okay, I hope guys you liked this video. So if you're liking my video guys, and if you need more videos like this, then guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.